In this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix the import matplotlib and import numpy errors that y'all have been getting. Um, First of all, I'm going to start with a new project. For y'all, if y'all have not already created your engineering folder, you would click on New Project, and you're going to create a project in whichever location you want. Name it something like Engineering 102 or something like that. You want to make sure that you're using the Conda environment and your Python version is 3.6 and your Conda executable is located in a very similar, if not exactly this, path. Now, to make this video faster, I have already created a project, and we're going to be, I just named a test, and we're going to create a new file here. Y'all probably have already done that. I'm going to name this import test.py, and I'm going to do exactly what y'all have probably done, which is import numpy and import matplotlib. And as you can see, I'm getting errors which says no module named matplotlib or numpy. I'm also going to run this by right-clicking and hitting run. And as we can see, it's giving us the same error. To fix this, we're going to have to go into settings, which is on Mac, it's going to be PyCharm preferences or command comma. You can do either. And you're going to go click on project test, like that's going to be the name of your folder. And you're going to click on project interpreter. And over here, you want to first of all make sure that it's 3.6, it should be. And then, and as you can notice, matplotlib and numpy are not here. And we're going to add them over here. And in fact, we're going to add a lot of packages in here by clicking on inherit global side packages and make available to all projects. If y'all didn't see that, I just went to the settings and did add. And make sure you have new environment set up and make sure your location-based interpreter are very similar, if not the same. I'm going to hit OK, and you're going to see that it's adding a bunch of packages here, and these are going to include matplotlib and numpy. As you can see, numpy is right there, and matplotlib is right there. Now that we have both the packages, we're just going to hit apply. Make sure you hit apply. And once it's been applied, click OK. And now, if you try to run the file, as you can see, it's not giving us a red line anymore, which means there's no errors. And if we try to run the file by right-clicking and hitting run import test, it's going to say process finished with exit code 0, which means there were no errors, and our file runs perfectly fine. I'm also going to show you all how to zip files, and for that I'm just going to create a new dummy file and name it dummy.py, and I'm just going to add one line of code to it. And now if we go on our Finder and go to the root of this folder, which is going to be inside, it can be different for everyone's computers, but for me it's in my users and PyCharm projects. As you can see, the folder test is the one we're using here. We're going to go into test. We're going to select all the files that we want to zip, right click, and compress to items. That's going to give us the zip file. You can rename it by right clicking and renaming. I'm going to rename this as lab01.zip, and y'all's folder should look something similar to this, but the names obviously should be different, and the code should hopefully be different. Hope I helped, and thank you for watching.